The first week emphasizes resetting metabolism and reducing bloating by eliminating sugar, refined carbs, soda, and alcohol. The diet should focus on lean proteins, leafy greens, and whole foods, complemented by hydrating drinks like lemon water and green tea. Daily activities should include 20-30 minute walks and low-impact cardio, alongside 7-9 hours of sleep and 2.53 L of water for detoxification. Weeks 2 and 3 focus on activating fat metabolism and sculpting the midsection through targeted nutrition and exercise. Nutrition emphasizes high-protein meals, fiber-rich vegetables, and healthy fats, with optional intermittent fasting. Workouts include HIIT 3-4 times a week, core targeting exercises, and resistance training to promote fat burn and muscle development. A caloric deficit is necessary for fat loss, achieved through clean eating, portion control, and strategic carb or calorie tapering. Progressive overload in exercise, combining strength and cardio like HIIT and weight training, enhances fat burning and muscle tone. Consistency, recovery, hormonal balance, stress reduction, and improved sleep quality are vital for sustained fat loss and overall well-being.